Hey Gordon, notice anything different about me? Whoa, did you get a new paint job or something? No, actually I've just been polished. I thought today would be a great day to shine around Sodor with my splendidness. This is just another way of showing yourself off, isn't it? Perhaps. Alright, you know what? If you can't stop being so vain, maybe I should go and get polished too. Then we'll see who looks more splendid. Oh please, there's no way blue can outrun red. That's what you think. Now, where's that fossil car? Oh, here it is. What the? Oh no. Well, I guess there's no need to compete for splendidness after all. We'd already have a winner. Ha 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 ha. Shut up. Ha 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 ha.